Hello friends, welcome to CodeMeta channel. In this video, we will talk about IAS full form. IAS full form and abbreviations. What is the meaning of IAS? In this in the IAS category, we only have one meaning. Indian Administrative Services. Indian Administrative Service is a powerful level of category and handled by government. District magistrate or collector is the most powerful and glamorous post which is covered by IAS services. If you are belonging to Indian country, then you have most powerful person if you are on IAS post. Everyone respect you and hands off your job. How to become an IAS officer? To become an IAS officer, you have to fight the exam of UPSC. UPSC means Union Public Service Commission. Before before fighting this exam, you have to complete the bachelor degree from recognized university in any manner. That is not matter you are belongs to computer, electronics, or anything. You have to complete bachelor degree. IAS career structure. That means what type of position you will cover or fight for exam UPSC if you are looking to enter in these posts. What posts include in this category? Chief Secretary of State, Principal Secretaries or Financial Commissioners in state, Subdivisional Magistrate in subdivision of district, District Magistrate in a state, Deputy Secretary or Senior Principal Private Secretary in the central government, Divisional Commissioner or Special Secretary of State Government, Divisional Commissioners in a division, and Joint Secretary to Government of India. Now we will talk about eligibility and qualification of for IAS. To give the exam of IAS, you must have age limit 32 years in general category, because in India we have three categories: general, SC, ST, OBC. Okay, so the exam of IAS should cover the age, and candidate also have to eligible with same age limit. For general, you should have 32 years, and for OBC, you must have 35 years. It is maximum age which we are talking about, and SC or ST maximum age is 37 years because they have some reservation type things. So SC/ST have much higher age rather than general category. General category person give 6 attempts, OBC category person give 9 attempts, and SC/ST category person give unlimited attempts for fighting the exam or come into the IAS section, IAS job. Handicapped person also have unlimited attempts. Stage. How many stage are coming into the exam of IAS? If person are looking to give the exam, then how many stage should come in? Must have to face the exam. Stage 1 is called preliminary, second one is mains, third is interview. The IS interview must you must know about English because IS interview held in English. So you must have the knowledge of English if you are going to fight the exam of IS. Where you will apply? upsc.gov.in website. In UPSC exam, civil services exam, what posts are coming? You can see here we have 26 posts in UPSC exam. You can hold the screen or pause the video to read all posts. Okay, next next is about CodeMeta channel. What you will get in Code YouTube CodeMeta channel? Web development related tutorial where we will teach React, PHP, MongoDB, Node.js and many languages. If you want to know about any full form or GK related questions, then you can connect with us. Time to time we will provide you news, special news, where from there you will get some knowledge. We will give you answer of your asked question which you will share with us in comment box. Child education tips. Time to time you will get child education tips or some ideas so you can teach your child or your child will learn own to give success or uh, get some idea about specific course. To get all knowledge you can subscribe CodeMeta channel. If you did not subscribe yet, then you can subscribe the CodeMeta channel to get all knowledge. If you have any question from us, you can write in comment box or mail us. Thank you. See you in next video. Meanwhile, please like, share and subscribe to this video to engage me.